Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nita here from Next with Nita, and this is my very first Halloween makeup tutorial on my channel. I hope you guys don't mind. This is not the most precise lion makeup, but this is the first time I did this. First time on camera, first time ever, and I just wanted to experiment with makeup and see what happens, and this is the result. I'm super happy with it. It's like very lioness-like, and I'm actually going to a Wizard of Oz party tonight where I have to be the oh babe, actually, can you get me my lion hat? And I'm ready. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you want to recreate this year or next, you can always reference this YouTube tutorial. I try to simplify the products as much as possible, and then I will also do a voiceover in the video to kind of walk you step by step. Okay, let's do this. We're going to start out with a trusty primer as a base. Makeup Forever foundation. This is coming in handy. I got this recently and I really love the coverage. Next, I'm going to fill in my brows with this new Hourglass eyebrow pencil. I will link this down below for y'all, of course, but I'm in shade Dark Brunette. And then I like to lock in my brows with this Benefit Brow Gel. Now it's time to get into the eyes. I'm just going to prime them with this Urban Decay Potion Primer, and I'm taking my Urban Decay palette, taking this beautiful like rust orange shade and going over my crease with it. I would definitely just take your time during this step and the following eyeshadow steps, because the key with this is just blending and make sure everything looks seamless and smooth. Moving on to the second shade, I'm going to be using this dark brown, and to be honest, I should have used a different brush here because it was a little harder to do, but we're just going to go with it because that's what I did. But I'm just taking the brown and going over my crease, and then I'm going to further take a darker shade like this black one right here and just layer over it. And again, probably should have used a different brush, so don't follow my brush techniques, but the colors are good. Now there's a little bit of empty space on my lid, and this is where I'm going to put my shimmer shade, but I just messed up. And let me clean that up. I'm going to grab that black shadow real quick and just add a little line to cover my mess up. Okay, so this is the gold I'm going to use, and I'm going to just go over my lid with it. Adding a little bit of liner, nothing too crazy, just settle with a little flick at the end. Clean up, everybody clean up. Okay, all right, fine, let's get serious. So this is the Becca Under Eye Corrector. I'm just gonna use this to cover my dark circles, brighten my eyes, and then layer over it with the Tarte Shape Tape. I'm using a shade that's a little lighter, and that's kind of what we want for this lioness look. And this is just a little trick that I do to clean up my shadow. Works wonders. It's time to draw in the lion's mouth, and I'm using the exact same shade of concealer and just creating the lion mouth over, well, my mouth. Now I am going to bronze the heck out of my face. So it is important for this look to really bronze up. I'm going to bronze and contour more than I usually would, so don't be alarmed. I'm just gonna keep going and keep going and keep going. And keep going. I've shared this trick before with you guys, but I'm slimming down my nose, adding the bronzer down the sides of my nose, and I'm going in pretty hard since it's a Halloween look. Adding some color to my skin real quick, And then we're gonna jump in and add some powder down where I contoured, just so it stands out some more. Highlighting my face with Bare Minerals in shade Fierce, just like a lion. So I clearly forgot where I was filming. Sorry about that, but I'm putting a white liner right here, and then I'm also going right underneath like my lash line and applying the white liner there, and I'm adding a little flick, as you can see, right there. Then I'm going to take a black gel liner that's from Bobbi Brown, and I'm just going to layer underneath that white line and just follow that line exactly. We will be adding lashes at the end of this, but I'm going to quickly take this Hourglass mascara and run it through my lashes. Let me tell you something. This is actually harder than it looks. I thought it was going to be simple, adding a little nose with some gel liner, but I think it's because I have a deviated septum. So I really struggled with creating the nose. One side was like higher up than the other, so it took me some time. As you can see, I really got in there. I connected my nose to my lips with the black liner, and now I'm just filling in my top lip. Now with a liquid liner, this is Too Faced Better Than Sex liquid liner, I'm just adding the little whiskers. You can kind of play around with it and see how many you want. Clean up, everybody clean up. For the bottom lip, I'm just going with a pinky nude lipstick from Laura Mercier. I don't know if I mentioned this earlier, but I did add a little line outside of my lips right here. We are almost done. I'm just going to quickly add my lashes. You can take really any pop of gold here and just add the inner corner highlight. To set the black liner, I'm just going to use black shadow over my lips here. Set your whole face with setting spray and you're good to go. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial and this was fun, maybe I'll make this a yearly thing and maybe I can do multiple for you guys. But thank you so much for tuning in. If you liked it, please subscribe, like, comment, all the things, and we will chat soon. Bye!